जी Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Training the Future. So, earning money as a 3D artist can involve a combination of freelancing, selling your work, and exploring various income streams. Here are several ways to monetize your skills as a 3D artist in 2024. So, the first one is freelancing. Join freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find clients looking for 3D modeling, animation, or rendering services. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on relevant projects. Deliver high quality work to build a positive reputation and attract repeat clients. The next one is the online marketplaces. So sell your 3D models, textures, or animation on online marketplace like TurboSquad, CG Trader, and Sketchfab. These platforms may provide a marketplace for digital assets, allowing you to earn royalties or one-time payment for your creations. Okay, so the next one is the create tutorials and courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating tutorials or online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare allow you to monetize your educational content. This not only generates income but also establish you an authority in the 3D art community. Right. The next one is the commissioned artwork. You can offer your services for commissioned artwork. This could include creating custom 3D models, scenes, or animations based on client's specific requirement. And most importantly, advertise your commission services on your website or through social media platform. Right. Next is the participate in contest and challenges. You can enter 3D art contest and challenges. Winning or even participating in such events can provide exposure, build your portfolio, and attract potential clients. Look for competition hosted by industry leaders or reputable organizations over the globe. Next is collaborate with other artists. Collaborate with other artists on joint projects. This not only expands your network but also opens up opportunities for shared income. Collaborative projects can include creating assets for games, animation, or virtual reality experiences, right? Next is you can offer 3D printing services. If you have experience in creating printable 3D models, offer 3D printing services. There is growing demand for custom 3D printed objects, and you can either sell the physical prints or provide the printed service itself, right? The next was a teach workshop or seminars. If you enjoy teaching in person, consider hosting workshops or seminars on 3D modeling or animation at local community centers, schools, or online platform. Okay, you can charge a fee for participants to learn from your expertise and skills. Diversify income stream. Explore multiple income stream to ensure financial stability. This could include a combination of freelancing, selling assets, educational content, and other creative ventures. Diversifying your income reduces dependence on single source, right? So remember to consistently market your skills, maintain a strong online presence, and provide excellent customer support to build a reputation that attracts clients and opportunities. Additionally, staying updated on industry trends and continuously improving your skills will contribute to your long-term success as a 3D artist. So that's all for today. From my side, Happy New Year to all. Stay blessed, stay safe. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.